everybody, we're just out here taking a little spring ride here at the at Roselle Park. We're right, if you come out here, this is right at Chestnut and West Lincoln. So there's a little bike and walk path. We're gonna check it out. Got everybody ready to have some fun. So just a short little ride. It's great for the family. So let's check it out. Hello.
No.
Yeah, be careful coming up here because it's a street, and that is the end of this path. So it's at the ends on Galloping Hill and Lehigh Ave, and the park is over this way. So what'd you think about the trail?
It's good. I like that it's just flat and straightforward.
It'd be nicer if it was a little longer,
Yeah.
but this is a great start. All right, let's go to the park.
Oh yeah, could you walk around in there?
Good, you got your fix on the slide. Oh, look at that little dog.
Hey guys.
Come on, donut. Oh, I don't even know. Remember I went flying on this swing a while back.